Hello everyone, let's see this question. On a road going out of a city, lights of the last traffic signal glow green for 1 minute. Let me underline that. So for 1 minute and red for 2 minutes. Okay. After the traffic signal, the road is straight and vehicles run at their constant speeds that lie in the range of 60 km per hour to 80 km per hour. This mode of operation of traffic lights causes the vehicles to come out of the city in groups. Okay. Some distance away from the traffic signal, the groups merge and become indistinguishable. Assume that the vehicles acquire their constant speed after the traffic signal in negligible time. Which of the following conclusions can you make? So here it is given that it is green for 1 minute. That means for 1 minute vehicles will be going, and then for 2 minutes it will be stopping. We have to make one assumption here that all the vehicles, they are like standing in a straight line, okay, waiting for the signal to turn green. And once the signal has become green, then what will happen? Then you will have the faster vehicles which will be moving at 80, and the slower vehicles which will be moving at 60, right? So it's given that they acquire their speeds in negligible time. So that means the relative speed between the two ends of this group of vehicles will be 20 km per hour, and they will continue moving forward for the time that the signal remains red, that is 20 km per hour into 2 minutes. Okay. So in this much time, what was once a line would have become now a band. Okay, it would become a band of vehicles, and this band would be expanding as it moves forward. Okay. So now we are having the next set of vehicles which are coming from here. Now here the faster vehicle, the fastest the vehicles moving with largest speed will be 80 km per hour, and here you are having 60 km per hour. So this would start after a time gap of 2 minutes, right? So we have to cover this distance which 60 km per hour vehicle has covered in 2 minutes. We have to cover that same distance with a relative speed of 20 km per hour. And when that happens, when the faster vehicles from the next set of vehicles comes in the same line as the last vehicle, the slowest vehicle here, we can say that the two groups have merged, right? And that will take how much time? So you can see that you will have 6 minutes. So in 6 minutes time, okay, 6 minutes time after the signal has turned green, this will happen. So this will happen at how much distance? So the distance traveled would be the distance traveled by 80 km per hour vehicle, and that would be 80 km per hour into 6 minutes. Okay, so into 6 minutes you can divide by 60 minutes and multiply by 1 hour. So what do you get? You get 8 km. So they become indistinguishable 8 km after the traffic signal. Okay.